The first question is how to master the language. I think there is just no universal answer to that. You should study in your own pace, the way you prefer it. It can be in a group or it can be individual. You can do self-studying if you can. It's up to you. I'm sure majority of you learned another language at some point in time, so you know what's working best for you. Obviously, the best way how to learn the language is to come here, live in it, and all the time try to speak German. You can actually do this. The best way is to organize some summer practice while you're still in the university. You can contact hospitals in here and ask them for so-called famulatur. This is usually practice for students which can last from 2 weeks to 4 weeks in different departments. It's up to you where you want to write it, where you want to write to. And during this practice you will be not only practicing your language, but you can also practice your manual skills like taking bloods and putting cannulas, something what we're really missing in our university. But here you actually will be doing this on everyday basis, so you have to learn it, and best if you learn it before. Of course, you will be communicating not only with your doctors and other students, you will be also talking to the patients. So that's just a great way how to practice it, how to practice speaking and writing German. After you finish university and you're still waiting for your documents, you can apply again for Formulatur, or you can apply for so-called Hospitation. This is a special practice for doctors. This is not even practice, it's just you having a look at the hospital, getting acquainted with the system, with the colleagues, and so on. So you speak all the time there. That's just great. That's practical like tricks what you can do. Of course, reading books, newspapers, watching movies in German, that's always an advantage. And what I personally recommend a lot is studying from German books. First of all, it's German and you get to know German language better when you study in it. And second of all, German books are just really, really nice. They're structured, they have all necessary information. Our professors love them, so you will definitely benefit from learning in German language, from German literature. They are for all the states, for all your normal examinations, there are thousands of different books. You can choose whichever you want. And this will really help you developing some skills how to use medical nomenclature, because in German it's all a bit different from English and you have to get used to it, obviously, before you start working in the hospital.